kids, and now it's time to count from 1 to 10 in Tagalog, Filipino.
Tagalog is one of the major languages spoken in the Philippines, in Southeastern Asia.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
1,
Isa,
2,
Dalawa,
3,
Tatlo,
4,
Apat,
5,
Lima,
6,
Anim,
7,
Pito,
8,
Walo,
9,
Siyam,
10.
Sampu! Yay! Well done, everybody. Shall we go again? Okay, let's go again.
1,
Isa,
2,
Dalawa,
3,
Tatlo,
4,
Apat,
5,
Lima,
6,
Anim,
7,
Pito,
8,
Walo,
9,
Siyam,
10.
Sampu! Yay! Well done, everybody. Shall we do it again? Okay, let's go again.
1,
Isa,
2,
Dalawa,
3,
Tatlo,
4,
Apat,
5,
Lima,
6,
Anim,
7,
Pito,
8,
Walo,
9,
Siyam,
10.
Sampu! Yay! Well done, everybody. Bye-bye. Looks like it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.